What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this rear door trim on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the back door. You're going to take these two bolts out. There's one there, one on the other side. You could use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket and a ratchet. I'm going to use an electric ratchet. Take that one out, and then this one. All right, now I'm just going to take a trim tool, get underneath here, pop this out. This pops out like this. There's a couple little tabs in there, so be careful with those. Pop this off, just like that. There's a couple little push pins I'm gonna have to swap over afterwards. And then there's this little plug right here. So we wanna take that plug out. Just grab that, pull it out. And there's another 10mm bolt right there. You can disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab, slide it out. And I'll just take a plastic trim tool. You want to make sure it's plastic. You don't want to scratch the glass or break the glass. Just get under here and just pry. Just like that. There's some push pins and they kind of come out at an angle. Just support this. And just slide it out. All right, now we just want to line those tabs up, but send the wiring harness through first. Before we push it on, we'll just double check, make sure that it's gone through. That's good. We could actually connect that right now. Lock that in place. Now those are all lined up. Just give it a push. And we'll take these bolts. Just use a 10mm socket. Start this one first. Might have to wiggle the trim panel a little bit. Started, get these other two started. Just take a ratchet and just snug them up. Not too tight. That's good. Take this rubber grommet cover, just plug it in. I'm gonna just take these push clips out. We have this tool, we sell this at 1aauto.com. Just slide it on there, pop it out, works slick. Do the same with this one. Just reinstall them right here. Lock it in place. Just like that. And this goes this way. Line this up. And lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.